Nan, Babo, Kabalen, Komsta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Puno's Ice Cream and Sherbet. This is the famous sherbet and ice cream of Nueva Ecija, now available po dito sa Pampanga. And the one that they sent us is located po sa Angeles City. This is beside AUF Professional School. So for those of you who are in Angeles City, available po ang mga to. And if you're craving for an ice cream and an alternative to your usual ice cream, you might want to check out these. So grabe guys, they sent us a lot and different kind of sizes, no? I'm gonna open them one by one and then starting off with Langka cheese cashew. So this is a 3.8 liter. Next, I'm gonna open this chocolate with cashew. Again, this is a 1.9 liter container. Available po yan. Next is the Buko Sherbet with Lychee. So this is a 1.9 liter container. Then we also have this cookies and cream. This is a 475 ml container. So next naman is yung cheese cashew Macapuno. Ooh! Whoa! Alright, so this is the Ube Cheese. It's a 1 liter container. Available po yan. Yan. And then this is a chocolate with cashew. This is 475 ml naman. And then this is another a 1 liter container. This is their cheese cashew Macapuno naman. Wow, grabe. This is so lovely. It's so cold here. Actually, no, so this one is a fruit salad. Ano naman to? Mga 80 ml container cups. Alright, so few more cups remaining, no? So I think they have different flavors do sa mga 80 ml nila compared to the large containers here. So I wanna try, while we are opening them, I wanna try na kung ano yung mga lasa ng mga to. So this one is a vanilla ice cream. So I'm gonna taste this one. Vanilla ice cream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that is so creamy. Grabe. So ito naman yung kanilang coffee crumble. Let's taste it. Wow. That one is a strong coffee. So aside from it, it's gonna refresh you in and out. It's gonna wake you up. So ito naman yung kanilang chocolate with cashew. Let's taste this. Wow. So I think they use somewhat dark chocolate because it's a little bit bitter. At the same time, it's sweet, of course. So creamy. So I guess ito magugustuhan to ng mga bata because, you know, generally chocolate is loved by everyone. So now this one is their cookies and cream. I wanna taste this one. So if you've been following me, I'm the cookies and cream guy. So medyo bias sa akin ng mga ganitong flavor na pagkain. Oh wow! Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung flavor ng cookies and cream. Grabe, nakaka-enjoy. So refreshing. This is so lovely. What a great afternoon. Lastly, I wanna taste itong kanilang fruit salad. Let's taste it. Wow. Well, as expected, it's creamy. And at the same time, it is actually so fruity. So if there's a flavor na tutti fruity, this one it is. Yeah, let's taste it again. So meron pa siyang parang mga small, you know, teeny-weeny bits ng mga fruits. Okay, so basically, we've tasted yung lahat ng mga flavors nila. For the large containers, I'm gonna share it with my friends. So once again, we would like to thank Puno Ice Cream and Sherbet. This is the most loved ice cream and sherbet ng Nueva Ecija. Now available po dito sa atin sa Pampanga. So for more information about the products, pricing, and how to get them, please watch this. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you got interested or if you love the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends and make sure to check out Puno's Ice Cream as well. So let's give them a hug, let's give them a like, follow them for more information or announcement coming from that store. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, until our next discovery, peace out guys. Bye bye.